This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pat Wiss. This bright and roomy 3-bedroom/3 bath Monticello model, located in the maintenance-free community of Kings Point, is ready for your personal touches. As you enter, you are welcome to the great room/dining room with large windows and vaulted ceilings, designed to accommodate plenty of furniture placement options. The oversized kitchen has an abundance of cabinets, recessed lighting, a built-in desk and an eating area with sliders opening to a covered entry where you can enjoy your morning coffee, plus all GE appliances and only 6.5 years old. You'll love the convenience of the laundry room located right off the kitchen. The master suite boasts a bay window, his and her walk-in closets and a generous bathroom with 2 separate vanities, a garden tub and a walk-in shower. The second bedroom, which is at the front of the house, is just far enough away for privacy when guests arrive and has its own private bath. Upstairs is the retreat ensuite with its own bathroom and private lanai. Large garage has sliding screens for privacy. This area is perfect as a home office, hobby room or as a third bedroom. Kings Point has wonderful facilities, pools, and clubs just waiting for you to explore. Or, if you prefer being less active, enjoy the comfort of your home and drive your golf cart to shop, appointments or just about anywhere. All this, and the owners have a transferable Gold KPW. Located just south of Tampa, Sun City Center is the perfect location for a convenient ride to the Tampa Airport, world-class shopping, dining, professional sports, shows and concerts, and is also a quick ride to all of our award-winning beaches. Call today and start living your dream tomorrow. For more information, review the details below or contact Pat Wiss at 813-642-1500.